In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can save your Canva designs as a template. Now to do this, all that we want to do is come up here to the right hand side, where we go to Share. Now if we come down to More, just there, and it's going to be under this section where it says Share. Now to use this as a template and to get the template link, all we simply want to do is click on Template Link just here. Now we can create the template link. Now that's created, we have our template. So if we take this over to an incognito window and paste it in here, then as you can see, this design can now be used as a template. So anyone who now has this link can actually use this as a template. Now if we come off here for a second, then go back to Share, we can see that this template link is live. Now if we click on there, we also have the option to delete this template link as well. So if we delete that, that is now gone and that link won't work as a template. But that's how easy it is to save your Canva designs as a template and how to get the link. Now if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it does really help out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, then click right here and watch this playlist.